everyone, this is our word time session where we're going to read, spell and write some words. But first of all, we need to practice all of the sounds that we've been learning so far. So, are you ready? Shh. D. T. I. N. K. O. B. K. A. G. P. M. A. S. E. F. And back to the beginning. Great, well done. So, our first word today is here, and it has 3 sounds. So I will press the sound buttons and we'll say the word together. F-I-S-H. Fish. Excellent. Next word has also got 3 sounds. Let's say them together. B-E-D. Bed. Well done. Our next word. We ready? H-A-D. Had. And we have one more to read. Ready? Ship. Ship. Excellent. Well done. Now then, we're going to spell some words and we need our thread fingers. All of our words have 3 sounds. So, 3 thread fingers. The first word we're going to do is fun. Fun. So which sound can we hear first? F-U-N. Fun. Excellent. The next word is hen. Hen. So what sound can we hear? Hen. H-E-N. Hen. Well done. The next word we're going to spell is wish. Wish. Starts with a W. W-I-S-H. Wish. Great work. And we're going to do one more, and it is shop. Shop. Can you hear on you? Sh sound. Sh-op. Shop. Excellent. Now, they're the 4 words that we're going to practice writing. So if you get your pen, and we'll start with the word fun. Fun. So we know it had 3 sounds. But which one came at the beginning? Fun. Yes, I can hear the f sound too. So I'm going to write fun. You write it, and then we'll see if they are the same. Okay? Fun. Have you got that? Yeah? Should we put the sound buttons underneath? Fun. Excellent. Okay, so the next word we're going to write is hen. Hen. Think about which sound comes first. Spell it out on your thread fingers. H-E-N. Hen. Great. I'm going to write it. H-E-N. Hen. Put our sound buttons under and we can check. H-E-N. Hen. Excellent. So the next word we're going to do is wish. Wish. 3 sounds. W-I-S-H. Wish. Can you try to write it? So So we need a w, I, sh. So we do our sound buttons and special friends. So we know we need to say them together. Ready? W, I, sh. Wish. Good work. And the last one was shop. 3 sounds in shop. Sh, o, p. Shop. Let's see if we can write that, and we'll see if yours is the same as mine. Sh, o, p. We put our sound buttons. We need our dash. That is 1 sound. Sh, o, p. Sh, o, p. Shop. Well done, everybody. Super reading, great spelling and lovely writing. See you next time. Bye.